I never thought I'd feel like this.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Thank you for being here with me today. So today I'm basically just sharing with you guys some mom life motivation, a day in the life of a mom for kids. So I just started the day off by helping them get dressed. So my girls took their bath. They are able to bath themselves and dress themselves, but they do sometimes ask me to help them. So this morning I just helped them by dressing them and also just brushing their hair. And then I also just gave my 2-year-old son his bath and got him ready for the day as well. Now my 11-year-old son, he does his own thing. He can do everything for himself, so he just did his own thing before they took their bath. He took his bath, and then my two girls bath together, and then my two boys bath separately. So I just got them prepared for the day. Since I had some cleaning to do, I did not clean the night before. Since we had load shedding, I could not clean. So I knew that I am going to do some quick cleaning, but I just wanted to get them ready for the day first and fed as well. I just wanted to get them dressed, bathed, and then also just feed them, give them their breakfast, so I can just do the cleaning fast and get it over and done with. Since I do want to spend time with them, they are still at home. My husband was also at home this morning since he works night shift. So I had him help me with my son's hair. He does know how to deal with my son's hair better than me, and also I feel like my son wants him to do his he prefers him to deal with his hair. So after getting them ready for the day, I just went into the kitchen, made breakfast for them. As hubby was busy making for us coffee, I just prepared for them some breakfast.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise.
So after breakfast and after enjoying a cup of coffee, I decided to quickly just tidy up our space. Since I mentioned that we had load shedding, so I could not clean the previous night. I do really try my best just to tidy up our space at night so that I can just wake up to a clean space. Man, when even now more so that it is still school break and they are still at home, I do really just enjoy waking up to a clean space, knowing that they are at home and they are going to need my attention and be demanding very early in the morning, yelling mommy 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 all day is already so overwhelming, and I don't still want to wake up to a messy space, so I just decided to just give our space a quick tidy, and it was much needed. So anyway, I don't know if you guys watched my previous video of how I basically shared with you guys how I am making a few changes, just the TV back to the hole that it was originally when we bought the TV. I just feel like making some changes in my house, and it's funny how our style changes over time, and how different our houses become over the years, you know. But anyway, I just hope that you guys enjoy this video and find motivation out of it to do something that you have to get done. Like, let's take a look together. If it's cleaning, let's do that together, you know. So I just moved over from my living space, and now I am going into my kitchen. Quick tidy, so that I can spend time with my kids. So I hope you enjoy this video.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going, like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, figure it's in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, shining like you're ice in every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, shining like you're ice in every time. We know like we don't shine bright like royalty. We not sticky, but they are guilty and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking, almost kicked in and lift my head up, like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, figure it's in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, shining like you're ice in every time. Jam 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 jam.
So guys, we are almost at the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video this far. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Help me grow this channel. Thank you for those who have already subscribed. You are so welcome, and I appreciate your support so much. Welcome to the fam. Welcome to my YouTube fam, and I hope you would feel so welcome and motivated over here on this channel. Thank you for being here. I will definitely see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay blessed. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
It ain't about fame, it ain't about fake friends. And screw your ex, is such a flake. Forget your greats, you need a break. You, it's all about you. What the others say.